Alright guys, so really quickly, as we're heading out shortly, I wanted to show you what I got from Costco for back to school. We got tons of groceries, not showing you that. So this is this snowsuit. We got one last year. It was pretty sturdy. Got the thing with the elastic band, and the inside is, you know, the inside is like that, this material, so it's pretty good. So we have one for her from last year, and this is the design, and the count has suspenders, which is great. So I can't really tell you how much this was right now, I don't remember, but it's certainly more now in the summer than what it's going to cost in the winter time. So one more to add to her thing. And then we got this, or I found another color, but this is the jacket that they have, and this is for, I think, those lighter days. It's this, it's got that all the way through, all the way throughout. So this is for those lighter ways when the wind is kind of strong, and it's very lightweight. So this will be great. And I think this is probably like $30, $35, somewhere in that ballpark. And apparently it can flip over. She made a point of showing me that you can wear it on both sides, although as a parent you get it. But there's that, and then just some regular shoes. I don't know yet whether these will be some inside shoes or some outside shoes. These are some Skechers sneakers. They were $35. They're lightweight, so they could be either, I think these are probably going to be inside shoes, I think. She had one of those last year, I think. She had these ones for inside shoes last year. See her front kick off? She basically grew them out though. So another pair here. She has another pair as well. These are what we bought to supplement after she grew those out. So they look very similar to the new ones, but these aren't Skechers, they're just regular shoes. But yeah. So I do need to go do other school shopping, but this is, I guess, how we're starting off with the winter stuff. And then I think we'll go to Costco at least one more time before school starts. But I'm going to shop for her at, I want to go to Old Navy, where else? The Children's Place, and I like to look in H&M too. H&M sometimes have really nice, you know, underclothes and stuff. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm going to go pack away our groceries so we can hit the road.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you there? my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my. I'm seeing shimmers in this long-lasting dream. A made-up image, bringing back memories.
So we're almost there, but the way all the plates are off, with ears sewn under the card. We thought we had a flat, but we don't. They're checking to see. It eventually sounded like something fell from under the car, so they're checking. So I thought I'd walk to the sign and show you where we are. There it is. Over the hill, Orchard and Winery.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
Is it one for you as well? Is this size one? Oh, over there. Okay, awesome.
Yeah? Better?
And the water.
And water.
Ice cream.
Oh, what is it? I'm joking.
There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time, I can't find the point where our two paths align. Right? You're the night sky, I'm trying makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
This might be a little bit shaky. My camera doesn't have any stabilization. And we're walking down to the orchard. The desserts are so good. Mercy. The desserts are so good. It's very gloomy. I think that's smoke. I'm not entirely sure, but I think that's smoke. Last week. Bees.
What?
You feel something my buzzing now?
What was it?
Bees.
It scared me enough. It scared me enough.
In the quiet of the night, underneath the stars so bright, whispers of a love so true, painting dreams of me and you. And I'll hold you close in this moment so divine. Whispers of the night will forever intertwine. With each gentle breath we take, our hearts dance never to break. As the moonlight softly gleams, we chase away our sweetest dreams. Ooh. And I'll hold you close in this moment so divine. Whispers of the night will forever intertwine. In the quiet of the night, underneath the stars so bright, whispers of a love so true, painting dreams of me and you. And I'll hold you close in this moment so divine. Whispers of the night will forever intertwine. With each gentle breath we take, our hearts dance never to break. As the moonlight softly gleams, we chase away our sweetest dreams. Ooh. Ooh. stars of the night will forever intertwine.
We actually thought that maybe we were going to eat brunch, but the Orchard place is not really food. They don't have any food. They have desserts and wines. So that's what we got, and we are now at a restaurant to get food to eat. Happy summer, Nana.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Nana.
Thank you. Know. I have not that strong as I look.
Banjo skip around.
Tomorrow is my birthday.
Banjo skip
The
around.
best month of the year.
She took a good picture of you
Eh?
in your phone.
Yeah.